If you want to set up Android Auto on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so first we'll open up your settings. After that, scroll down to your connected devices section, and here we gotta find our Android Auto section. There it is. Tap on it, press connect to vehicle. So here are a couple ways of connecting it. The first one is through your USB port. You can connect it to the car, which is compatible with the Android Auto, and there you have to choose. You'll have notification here. You'll have to choose your file transfer or Android Auto. So choose the Android Auto and follow on-screen instructions. Also, on some cars, on some 2021 or newer vehicles, you can do that through Bluetooth. So you have to connect to car and then you have to open up this exact tab. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.